Yer, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn. As you can see, we back in the closet. That means we back for another episode of Vaughn's Closet. You know what I mean? Back at it. Back in the closet. Hey, with the zoom in. Okay. Please consider subscribing to this video. Like the video down below already. You know what I mean? Comment down below as well how you doing. You know what I mean? If you did anything for this past holiday. You know what I mean? If you got any pickups, let me know everything in the comments. Follow me right there on Instagram. You know what I mean? At King Vaughn. At King X Vaughn _ Don't even know my own Instagram handle is crazy, I know. But yeah, follow me on all the socials. Follow me on Twitter as well. I'll be talking crazy on there. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make this quick. See the boxes right there. 2 fire unboxings. You saw the thumbnail, so you already know what it is. I'll do a brim check for you real quick. You know what I mean? Fire brim, Hat Club, and Yodi collab. You feel me? You see the Hat Club pin right there. Yep, you see the Hat Club pin. Yep. You see the Batterman. You know what I mean? You see the Batterman. You see the Batterman. Yep, you see the Batterman. Orange Red Sox joint with the green socks. You know what I mean? Ballpark Snacks collab, you feel me? With the green pin up top, green under brim, and that big body green All-Star Game patch. Easily top 5 patches, if not top 3 patches in my collection, in my opinion. You know what I mean? But orange is my favorite color. So this right here, man, shout out to my man Yodi. This brim is fuego. You know what I mean? Super fire. And you know what I mean? I'm gonna show y'all the shorts I got on today too. You know what I mean? WNBA shorts, you know what I mean? Crazy. You know what I mean? Shout out to Always Be Yourself. You feel me? Fire WNBA shorts. Super fire. Super fire. But yeah, let's get into these unboxes, man. Lids Hat Club, 2 boxes. You already know what this collab is. You already know what this drop is. I was waiting on this drop for mad long. So let's get into it, man. I'm hyped for this drop. I'm not even gonna lie. First box. Let's see what it is. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of went crazy on this drop. First box. Take all the plastic off. I'm hyped for these, man. I'm hyped for these. I'm gonna show you the back of the hats first, man. I'm gonna show you the back of the hats. The back of the hats. You know what I mean? See the camel crown, see the red pin, the blue pin. I feel like Morpheus talking to Neo right now, you feel me? You see the baddies? Which one y'all wanna see first? You wanna see the red button or the blue button first, you know what I mean? Rest in peace to Nick, bro. We're gonna do the blue one first. First brim. Sheesh. That Chicago Cubs. I finally got one, y'all. I finally got one. I don't even know what it is, 1990? I finally got that 1990 All-Star Game patch, man. Let's go from top, you know what I mean, from front to back. Blue brim, red and royal Cubs logo, royal button, 1990 All-Star Game patch, you know what I mean, with the stars, the red, the blue, the gold, the white, the Batterman within the patch. Crazy. You know what I mean? Flat baddie with the white outline. And the most important part of this whole collab, man, this whole drop is that green bottom, bro. That green bottom. You see the white guts with that green bottom? Oh my goodness, man. It's only right. It's only right. Let me put the Yodi to the side. Yo. Yodi. I don't know what y'all did with these, bro, but this is some of the most sturdiest Bangladesh brims I've ever. It's easily the sturdiest brim I have in my collection. And if every brim made in Bangladesh was made like this, like, it would be crazy. Boy. Like I said, I finally got one, y'all. I finally got one. Let's go right into fitting number 2. I don't want to make this video long. I want to make it quick. Brim number 2. I forgot I had another one back there. I almost forgot it. Brim number 2 of 3. Bam. I finally got one of these too, y'all. Finally got one of these, man. Philly script, All-Star Game patch. You know what I mean? Another one. I don't think the next one is an All-Star Game patch, but if it is, Two Tone and All-Star patch going crazy right now. What year is this? So I got the 1990 on the crown, 96 on the Phillies joint, you feel me? Fire. Bro. Camel crown, red brim, red button, Philly script, 1996 Phillies, you know what I mean, Liberty Bell patch, and of course the green bottom again. Dog, I just can't get over this Cubs fitted, bro. This might be one of my favorite brims in the collection right now. Already. This script is fucking fire, bro. Oh man, let me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Crazy. The year of the two-tone, man. I've been saying it all year. Every fitted unboxing I do, it is the year of the two-tone. You know what I mean? Finally got the Philly script. I finally got the 1990 All-Star patch. So far, so good. Now let's go into the third and final brim of the video. Alright, so third, I'm going to keep the Phillies joint on. Third and final fitted of the video. You know what I mean? Yes, it is from the same collection. Like I said, the Camel two-tone collection. I copped the one on my head in the Cubs joint. I had my homie cop this one. Shout out to Grundy, you know what I mean? My podcast co-host. If you listen to Celestial Conversations, shout out to Grundy, you know what I mean? I had to get this joint, you know what I mean? Just because it is what it is. You know me and this team fitted. You know me and Yankees, I had to grab one. So I had copped those two. I only had a two fitted per customer limit. So I was like, yo, grab this for me. He looked out, and I mean, I held it down. But the Yankee Camel joint, white NY, navy brim, navy button, 1999 World Series patch with the green underbrim, of course, and the white guts as well. Let's do a switcheroo one more time. All right, last brim of the video on the noggin. I'm not gonna lie, this one fits. It fits. I don't want to say loose, but it fits just perfectly, I guess. The Phillies joint, it fit the snuggest of the three. These are all made in China. You know what I mean? But like I said, that Yodi brim I had on to start the video, that Yodi Hat Club joint made in Bangladesh, super sturdy, crazy fit. You know what I mean? But yep, shout out to Lids Hat Drop. Hopefully I can get sponsored by them one day. You know what I mean? All three is fire. I was waiting on this pack for a long time. I missed the Braves joint. I didn't even try for it. I might double back eventually and get the Braves joint if I see it on Grailed or eBay, because the Braves joint was fire. But yeah, it's your boy Vaughn. You know what I mean? Thanks for stopping by and tuning into Vaughn's Closet. Again, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Like this video. Go watch one of these two videos right here. You know what I mean? Where I talk about brims, sneak, streetwear, all the above. And follow me on Instagram right here as well. Let me know in the comments if you were able to hit on any of these two-tone camels from Lids Hat Drop. Let me know if you copped any Supreme lately from any of the premium drops. I kind of fell off on Supreme as of late. Yeah, let me know everything in the comments as far as drops. Let me know if you're picking up these fire red threes. Depending on when I drop this, either if you picked them up today or if you picked them up, you know what I mean, a couple days ago, depending on when I drop this. I'm recording this on Friday, the day before they drop. But yeah, let me know if you picked up them threes. And yeah, you know what I mean, that's everything. Hope y'all doing well. And peace and love always. I'ma holla at y'all.